If your SSD is fast, but your game still micro-stutters every time it loads textures, opens a new map chunk, or autosaves, that's not normal. Those momentary disk I/O spikes, 80%, 100%, even 20% on NVMe, are enough to freeze a CPU thread and tank your FPS for a split second. Today, we're fixing that. This is part 2 of the storage optimization series, with deeper tweaks, registry fixes, and system-level changes that stop Windows from hammering your SSD during gameplay. By the end, your games should stream assets smoothly with zero hitching.
Step 1. Stop Windows services that constantly hammer your SSD. Certain Windows services run non-stop in the background, performing indexing, preloading, and telemetry logging. These processes create continuous, unnecessary disk writes that interfere with real-time game asset loading and can introduce micro-stutters during fast texture streaming. To quiet your SSD and reduce background I/O pressure, disable the heaviest offenders through Command Prompt admin. What this removes: indexing load. Stops Windows search from constantly scanning, cataloging, and updating file metadata, a major write source on SSDs. Preloading and caching noise. SysMain, formerly Superfetch, aggressively predicts future application use and preloads data. Great for HDDs, but terrible for NVMe gaming performance. Telemetry and diagnostic writes. DiagTrack logs system usage and sends data to Microsoft. Turning it off eliminates recurring bursts of disk activity.
Step 2. Remove HDD-style prefetching and Superfetch, Regedit. Windows still uses old prefetching behavior that was designed back when mechanical hard drives were the norm. On modern SSDs, this type of preloading doesn't provide any real benefit and can actually create unnecessary background reads and writes while you're gaming. To disable these outdated features, open the registry and go to this path. Then set the following values: EnablePrefetcher to 0, Enable Superfetch to 0. Turning both off prevents Windows from trying to predict what files you might need and loading them in advance. Since SSDs can access data instantly, these prediction systems just add noise and extra disk activity. Step 3. Fix NVMe latency bursts. Store port interrupt storms. Some SSDs, especially certain NVMe drives, flood the CPU with far more interrupts than necessary. When this happens during gameplay, the CPU briefly diverts attention to the drive, causing micro-pauses, uneven frame pacing, and short but noticeable frame time spikes. Windows doesn't expose an easy toggle for this, but a hidden registry flag can stabilize the behavior. Open Regedit and navigate to this path. Inside each applicable path, create a new value, dword32. Name it Interrupt Coalescing. Set value to 1. Enabling this forces the storage driver to group interrupts together instead of bombarding the CPU one at a time. The drive still responds quickly, but the CPU isn't constantly being interrupted during heavy loading. Step 4. Reduce disk fragmentation, logging, and background maintenance. Windows constantly runs small maintenance tasks in the background, even during gaming. The system only needs a tiny moment of perceived idleness to start indexing files, trimming drives, or writing logs. These actions can create random disk activity that leads to micro-stutters, inconsistent loading, and higher latency. Disabling the heaviest tasks helps keep your SSD focused only on what the game needs. Start by disabling Windows's automatic maintenance routine. Go to this path. Create or edit dword named Maintenance Disabled. Set value to 1. This stops Windows from launching scheduled maintenance during gameplay, which prevents sudden disk scans or indexing. Next, Reduce unnecessary disk write logging. These logs are normally harmless, but some of them write constantly and can spike I/O without warning. Navigate to this path. Look for high-volume loggers, such as ReadyBoot NTFS loggers. Set their value, enable value, to 0. This prevents them from filling the disk with background traces you don't need. Finally, disable NTFS last access logging. By default, Windows updates metadata every time a file is touched, which adds a surprising amount of extra writes, especially for large games that stream assets non-stop. Open CMD as administrator and run this one command. This stops Windows from writing to disk every time a file is simply read, which dramatically cuts down on background I/O. Open world titles, texture streaming engines, and shader-heavy games benefit noticeably from this change.
Step 5. Prioritize games and reduce game I/O stall time. No WMIC. Modern PowerShell command to boost foreground app priority. Open PowerShell as administrator and run. How it works. Detects all processes with a visible window, so your game or app sets their CPU priority to high. Automatically applies to any app you open while running PowerShell. Next, enable SSD write caching. This step reduces micropauses that can happen when games save data, update shader caches, or stream assets. Modern SSDs handle cached writes safely, so enabling these options improves smoothness with zero downside. Go to Device Manager, Disk Drives, Your SSD, Properties, Policies, Enable. Enable write caching. Disable Windows write cache buffer flushing, safe for modern SSD controllers. With write caching on, your drive groups small writes together instead of pausing the system for each one. This prevents tiny hitching during autosaves, background streaming, or shader compilation events, especially in big open-world games.
Step 6. Fix disk fragmentation the right way, SSD plus HDD. Fragmentation and poor disk optimization can cause I/O spikes, slow texture loading, and micro-stutters in games. Here's how to safely optimize both SSDs and HDDs. Disable automatic maintenance during gaming. Stops Windows from randomly running disk optimization while you play. Run in CMD admin this one command. And now optimize your SSD properly. Trim. Trim keeps SSD performance fast and consistent, reducing stutter during asset streaming. Run in CMD admin. Defrag C/L. Defrag HDDs if you store games on them. Only for mechanical drives. Never defrag SSDs. Run in CMD admin. Defrag D/F. Quick Universal Optimize. Windows chooses the correct method automatically for each drive. Defrag C/O. Result: fewer I/O spikes, smoother loading, reduced micro-stutters, and more consistent frame times across all games. Final result: after these 5 steps, you will notice no random 100% SSD usage, no autosave stutter, no texture streaming hitches, no open-world loading pauses, no NVMe latency micro-freezes, smoother frame times in every game. Your storage pipeline becomes consistent, predictable, and stable, exactly what prevents FPS drops during game load events. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.